So as you all must be knowing, can anyone tell what is today's topic?
Advertisement.
Yes. So let's go find out. Yeah. Product marketing.
Advertisement
activity. So
advertisement communication.
is my screen visible? Yes.
Yes.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, visible.
So let's go find out more about this topic. So today our topic is advertisement communication. Before going to this complex formation, let us first know what is communication. So what is communication? Communication is the act of using signs, symbols, pictures to pass a message or to make a meaning. So if I am able to understand what you are saying to me, but if you are able to understand what I am trying to say to you, if you are the sender and the receiver, then the communication is successful. Now what is advertisement? Advertising is defined as a paid communication from an identified sponsor using mass media. For example, I am buying a Cadbury Dairy Milk. Then I know that the sponsor is Cadbury. Similarly, if I am going for a Milky Bar, then I know that the sponsor is Nestle. Okay, so in an advertisement, we know the sponsor and it is a paid form. Now, what is advertisement communication? Advertising communication can be defined as a persuasive action that includes perception, process of the source, a message, communication channel, and a receiver. These are basically the components. So, what is the source? Who is the source? The advertiser or the advertising agency are the source, and who is the receiver? We, the client, the customers, are the receivers. And what is the channel? Channel is the medium that connects the receiver to the source. Okay, this is called what is called a channel. Now that we have known what, let us start.
Hello,
Yes.
am I audible?
Yes.
So, good evening, guys. Welcome to today's G Shopping. So, here we are introducing a blank book. Blank book is the example of a life because life is an empty book with full of blank pages where you have to mention your past, your present, and the future. So, introducing a blank book for you all, which is available 24 into 7. All the details of this book will be given by our co-producer Shefali.
Yes, a very good evening to everyone. So the product name which we have given to our book is the blank book, and the tagline which we are using it is write your own future by your hands. Our target audience will be the students, and also the writers will be producing in different colors also with a special sticky notes with it, because nowadays it's a trend of journaling and creative writing and content writing. So it will be helpful for our customers to maintain their notes in a systematic and a chronological order. Next, about the product, if we go in details, it will be available and we'll be advertising it in different social medias and in a newspaper even. And next, I'll be handing over for the further details to our manager, that is Piyush Pritam Pari.
Good evening to all. So you can, as my previous partner said about the book, I am here to say about what will the book cost if you want to buy it. In the market, if you buy it offline, it will cost up to 100 to 200 rupees, and if you are buying in online, you will be given a discount of 5% on the product, so you can get it cheap. Now I will hand over to Subham.
So, yes, a blank notebook. In this notebook, we can make a dream diary, which is we can turn that notebook into our dream tracker. Simultaneously, we can make our daily planning. So instead of buying brand book, we can use this notebook. Thank you.
So guys, don't be delay. The book is on your fingers. You just swipe you just visit our site and book the book. Thank you.
Good. Now next, Krishna.
Oh, yeah, okay. Rahul, Uttam, are you there?
Yes, yes, Krishna.
Yes, I'll start. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Krishna Mohanty from the brand Rushmore. Yes, we are a famous clothing brand, and with the tagline, "Don't think about your outfit anymore, make your own statement with Rushmore." Today, me and my team are here with a unique product that is buttonless shirt. So, before proceeding to the features, let me tell you, we are targeting the youth as an audience. So, to know more features about this buttonless shirt, I would like to hand over this to Rahul, who is the CEO of our company.
Good evening, guys, and welcome back. This is your Rahul Bombing, the CEO of our company, Rushmore. So, I welcome back you all. So, as you have heard about the product that is a buttonless shirts. So, you have been very stressed and having a headache that always you have to put a button when you are in a hurry. So, don't worry. We are here with a solution of your problem, that with buttonless shirts. So introducing buttonless shirts, which are very useful shirts that is removing your total headache, and even you can wear it on summer as well as a winter, and it is both for ladies and both for men. And if you are a fan of a detective and you're watching movies like detective, then it is also for you, and even you can wear it on your shirt, t-shirt, and anything. It is very useful, and it is having no buttons, so you can easily wear it on. You have to not to means take worry that you have to when you are in a hurry, so you have to put on the button. So it is totally delete, and it is very cheap at cost. It is just only 1999, and it is easily available on our website, that is rushmore.org. So while you are waiting, swipe up, and here is the link, and just go and buy this useful product, and use my code Rahul20, which will avail you with lots of amazing rewards and gifts. So now I would like to hand over this to the managing director, that is Uttam.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, I would like to tell the availability of those shirts. As we all know that it's in this modern era, and due to this pandemic, the shops are having been closed. So we must focus on these certain apps and applications such as Amazon, Myntra, Snapdeal. So when it comes to availability, in certain apps, something called Myntra, your Master Harbor Men Mustard Yellow Colored Buttonless T-shirt of RS 274. And when it comes to Amazon, Nivea Compression 2 Full shirts, and these are the telling of those colors. As you all heard about Amazon Great Indian Festival, Amazon Big Billion Sales. So the available 10% instant discount will be selected credit or debit cards. But now on Amazon, with those great deals and vast selection of products, you can enjoy the product in this pandemic by staying in the home. Thank you.
Thank you all. In the last group, we are Deepika.
Good evening, everyone. I am Matashi, and welcome to our shopping channel. So, from our brand, which is the Trust Basket, we are going to introduce a new product, which is the expired fertilizers. The specialty of our product is that it is effective for plants and acts against the pesticides. For more features, I will move on to our manager, Deepika. For more features, we are going to move on to Vavya.
Good evening, everyone. You would be surprised to hear what is the use or what are the features of expired fertilizers, right? So normally fertilizers are used to kill the pesticide or the insects, insects, right? So to prevent from the attack of insects and pesticides, pest, we used to use pesticide or the fertilizers. But we can use even the expired fertilizers. Like normally after expiring the fertilizer, even it is having its own effect which will show on the plants. So it will protect them from the insects and the pests. So normally fertilizers are very harmful for the plants, as we know, but expired fertilizers is also it may be somewhat like it's not harmful, but it can be used as organic farming, right? Because fertilizers are full of chemicals and all, but expired fertilizers which will lose its power of chemicals, so we can use as an organic farming, which will much not affect the plants. So you don't worry about fertilizer. Like name itself says fertilizers, but expired fertilizers means it will reduce the power of the chemicals, where you can use much and much to get a type of organic farming. To more, I'll promote to Abhishek Singh.
Hello, my name is Abhishek Singh and I'm a farmer from Bodyguard. So after using Trust Basket, my farm is very happy growing. I can see the growth in my farm. First, I was very problem with the pests, and then the cost of pesticide was also very expensive. But after buying food Trust Basket, I'm very happy with it because it is very effective against pests also, and it is organic, so I'm getting very much profit by selling it to organic sellers. That's it. I'm very happy with Trust Basket.
So you all listen about the features of Trust Basket, right? And you all are excited, right? Yes, this product, the Trust Basket, is very much user friendly and eco friendly for all the farmers and all the field, to the whole field. So you are thinking about where you get the product and all, right? So you get the product by nearby your all the stores, and it is also available in Amazon also in a very low price, which is affordable by all the farmers and all. So I want to conclude that with a tagline that healthy food with Trust Basket, and do try this product, which is helpful more for the environment and more for the farmer. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. So all of you have done great actually, but